7 work from home business opportunities. Imagine waking up, making your coffee, opening your laptop, and making money without having to leave your home. Internet has revolutionized how people make money in 2026. You don't have to struggle with the crazy traffic, your boss having to shout at you, and even waking up at 5 to catch a matatu. In 2026, all you need is just a laptop and reliable internet supply, and you are good to go. Okay, so in this video, we're going to be sharing 7 business opportunities you can be able to take advantage of and start making money right now. Okay, number one is online reselling business. This is the easiest business. I have done it myself and it's my favorite. All you need is find a product that people are patronizing, product that people really looking for, and start marketing it online. And whenever people order from you, you supply or you talk to the supplier to supply the product. So the thing is, look for the suppliers. Like for my case, I run a business called Joking Collections. You can check it on Instagram and the Facebook. We sell fashion clothes for ladies. So all I need to do is look for suppliers, and I got suppliers from Italy who sell these fashion clothes from at a wholesale price. So they provide me the models and I do marketing for the products. Whenever I got a customer for the same product, I go buy the product and I supply to the customer. Alternatively, I can even talk to the supplier and tell them that I have this customer that needs this dress. Can you ship it to Malindi or Mombasa or Watamu? And they get to do it for me as I do my business or as I continue with my daily work. Okay, so all you need to do, look for suppliers and get to market their product. And whenever you get a customer, let the customer pay and you supply the product. And the good thing is people are looking for this product and they are paying. People are really known this online reselling model, and they are buying to it. As long as you're an honest person, you're gonna getting customers every single day. Okay, number two is YouTube channel. YouTube is the most powerful business opportunity you can be able to start in 2026, because you can start a YouTube channel right now in 2026 in March, and by the time it reaches April, the channel is monetized and you're making money from it. Okay, so all you need to do is look for a niche or a content that you can be able to create effortlessly without having to struggle, and make content every single day, upload videos on YouTube every single day, and people get to notice you. And whenever they like your content and they connect with it, your channel gets to grow. If you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour, you start earning money from ads revenue. Okay, so all you need to do is create content every single day. You don't have to be perfect. People are waiting for the time they will be perfect. They will have a nice cameras, they will have the best lighting gears. I am doing it with what I have with my phone. Right now I'm recording this video on my phone and uploading it on YouTube. Okay, so don't wait for the perfect time, don't wait for the perfect opportunity. Create that opportunity right now. Start creating content on YouTube and Facebook and Instagram. Okay, and post every single day. Don't wait for any other time. It's now or never. Okay, and the good thing is that the internet has given us an opportunity that no one else is gonna give you. You post your content, and if internet loves you, if people love you, you get your flowers right here on this internet space. It doesn't discriminate. Not like a job that you're gonna apply for and people are going to screen you or everything. No, no, no. Start creating content on YouTube and you start making money right from the comfort of your couch right now. Don't wait for tomorrow. Number three is digital product business. Digital product is the most profitable business idea you can start on this online platform. Imagine creating one product just once and you sell forever. Things like ebooks, online courses, templates, CV templates, and business guides. These things are making people a lot of money on this internet space. All you need to do is create one product, create something that people are looking for. You can search online and see what it is people are looking for. Probably people are looking for business ideas. Create a template, create a book that showcases business ideas that people can be able to start and make money. And you Just publish once. And I'm telling you, you're gonna be making money from that book so long as it's online. Okay. So imagine you've published one book. Let's say the title of the book is 50 Business Ideas to Start in 2026. And you're selling that book for, let's say, for 500 Kenya shillings. And you get 100 people buying that book. Multiply by 500. That's a cool 50 Kenya shillings sitting at the comfort of your couch and sipping your hot coffee. And you don't have to complain about the cold weather, the floods, and what have you. You're just sitting at your home and making the internet work for you. Okay, so start a digital product business right now, and you're gonna thank me later. Okay, this is James Count. Number 4 is freelancing. My friend, if you got a skill that you can be able to trade for money, you can do this at the comfort of your home, selling your services online. Things like graphic design. If you're good in graphic design, you're good in video editing. Right now, video editing is a big business opportunity right now because of content creation. If you're good in social media management, you're good in website design, copywriting, virtual assistant, you can make a lot of money from these skills. If you haven't learned any of these skills, start running right now. Start learning any of these skills. And by the time, it just takes like 30 days to 90 days to learn a skill, and you start making money from it. So you don't have to worry that probably you don't have a skill that you can be able to offer. You can learn any skill. You can learn video editing right now, and by the time you are it's 30 days, you've started creating videos, you start offering these services for free, and when people appreciate your services, you now start charging for the service. Okay, so and there are different platforms you can be able to uh, market your products, also your services. The platform like Fiverr, Upwork, and even using your social media account. Facebook is very powerful. Instagram is very powerful. Even use your YouTube channel to market your services. You don't even have to go very far. Just use your social media accounts, market your services, and get people to pay for that service, and you make a lot of money just sitting from your home. Okay. If you want to learn around about business and business ideas, the best person to talk to is JM Kaundo. I have my number shared on the screen. You can be able to WhatsApp me and we get to discuss more about the kind of business you want to learn about. Okay, so talk to me right now. Number 5 is affiliate marketing. This means that you market someone else's product, and if that product is bought using your link, you get to earn a commission. Okay, so let's say for instance, you market an ebook or let's say a course through your social media. Let's say for instance, you're using a social media or you're using your YouTube channel. You market a product and someone likes that product and they buy using your link, you get to earn a commission from it. People earn money from Amazon just for marketing products on Amazon. So that's how, or what affiliate marketing means. You market a product that belongs to someone else. Let's say like softwares. You see like this software like QuickBooks, software like uh, Adobe Premiere Pro. If you market that product and people buy from your link, you earn a commission from it. And the good thing is that right now you can use your social media accounts. If you are popular on YouTube, you don't even have to be very popular. So long as you have an engaging audience, you have an audience that you can be able to share the link to. Even if it's 100 people that are following you and they are active followers. And from your few people that are following you, you market the product there and people get to buy from your link. You make money from it. Okay, so use your blogs, use your WhatsApp group, YouTube, TikTok to market other people's product, ebooks, softwares, fashion products, online courses, and you make money from it. Okay, so you don't have to have a lot of following. All you need is an engaging audience that can be able to that follows you, that loves you, and connects with you. And the rest is you can be able to make passive income using affiliate marketing. Number 6 is print on demand business. This entails, creating a design and selling products using that design. It's a very powerful business opportunity that you can be able to take advantage of in 2026, especially for Africans, which have not really realized this opportunity. Things like t-shirts, hoodies, and mugs. You don't need to have this product with you. You just need to create a design. And if someone buys that design, they just need to, the supplier will take the design and print it on a t-shirt, and they will handle the shipping. On your side is just creating the design that will be used on a product. Let's say, for instance, a t-shirt, a hoodie, or a mug. So when you design and sell online, for instance, for those who have been on YouTube, you have seen those merchandise that are sold on YouTube channels, or that are displayed on YouTube channels. The person that is displaying those merchandise is not the person that deals with the product itself. You just display there, and someone likes that design, they buy the design, and the person who is now handling the shipping, who is handling everything, is the one who is going to print the t-shirt and ship it to the customer that ordered the product. Okay, so that's as simple as it is. So just start right now and you make money from it. Number 7, the last one, is online consulting or coaching. If you're experienced on something, or you got some skill on something that you're able to teach people, you can turn it into a coaching business. Okay, so you can start a business coaching, you can start a business coaching, relationship coaching. People are right now needs a lot of therapy when it comes to relationship. They are really failing. Career coaching. People need to know how they can be able to get a job, how they can be able to grow their career, things like that. Financial coaching. People do not even know how to manage their resources. They are making money, but they are squandering all of it, and they end up being broke. So if you can be able to offer these kind of services, you're gonna make a lot of money from it. Okay, so all you need to do is have the skill and start offering it to the people that need it. You can do it one-on-one, or you can do it a group coaching, or online classes using Zoom, and you charge probably 1,000, 3,000, 5,000, depending with your rating. Okay, and the good thing is that it's doesn't require a lot of capital to start this kind of business, because you're selling your skill, you're selling your services. You can even uh, have people come to your home and you do the coaching, and that doesn't cost you a lot of money. Okay, so if you're experienced in things like finance, things like you can teach people any skill that you have, start selling it to other people that really need it. Okay, and start making money from it. So thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for listening to me and learning something about business. If you love this kind of content and you want to see more about it, be sure to like this video. It makes YouTube algorithm happy. It promotes this video to many people that want to learn this kind of messages, and I really appreciate your support. If you can comment on the comment section and tell me what kind of business you're gonna try. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe, share, and leave a sweet comment. See you on the next one. Goodbye.